Welcome students, here is Anukul Chandra Malik, computer teacher. So right now we are going to discuss about the generation of computer. Here is, okay. So before discuss about the generation of computer, you know that is the father of computer is Charles Babbage, and the definition of computer you also know, that is computer is an electronic machine. Okay students, so let's go for the generation of computer. So first generation of computer, it is started in the year 1942-1956. In the year 1940 to 1956. Okay, so thousands and thousands of vacuum tubes were used in this generation of computer. Means thousands and thousands of vacuum tubes. I hope that 36 vacuum tubes were used in a particular room, and another 36 vacuum tubes were used at another room. Just like thousands and thousands of vacuum tubes were used to make a computer. That is the first generation of computer. Okay, so consume lots of power. It consume lots of power, so it get large amount of heat. It got the large amount of heat due to the consumed of lots of power. Okay students, then large in size. The size of computer was very large. Okay, and it was very expensive also. Okay, the rate of this computer is much more and very expensive. Okay, at that time. So this was the very expensive computer, and example of this computer were ADVAC and UNIVAC 1. Okay students, this is the first generation of computer. And the second generation of computer, that is started in the year 1956 to 1963, it was ended. Okay students, then in this type of computer, transistor were very much used. Okay, and this transistor, after used of this transistor, the computer gets very faster or smaller than the first generation of computer. This generation of computer is very faster and smaller than the first generation of computer students. Okay, save instruction in the memory. Okay, and it also save the instruction and also save the memory. It means in second generation of computer, it's have the memory power to save the data and the instruction, and more energy efficient. It consumed more and more energy. Okay, it consumed more and more energy. That is very efficient for that computer. Okay, and the example of this computer were IBM 7090, CDC 3600. Okay, these were the example of your computer which were very much used at the time of second generation of computer. Okay, this was the second generation of computer. That is, and third one is third generation of computer, which was started in the year 1964 to 1971. Okay, and in this generation of computer used of integrated circuit. Okay, in this generation of computer very much use integrated circuit. You know it very well, that is integrated circuit are made up of many thousands of transistors were used to make the IC. Okay students, okay, then it was very smaller and faster than the second generation of computer. Okay students, it was very smaller and faster than the second generation of computer. Okay, and used keyboard and monitor. In this third generation of computer, It's had the monitor and keyboard. Okay students, it's have the monitor and the keyboard. Okay, the example of this computer were PDP-11 and IBM 360. These were the third generation of computer. Okay, then go for the fourth generation of computer, that is started in the year 1971 to till now. Okay, now we all are using this type of computer. Okay, those computer which are around us, those are the fourth generation of computer. Okay, so use microprocessor. You know that we use this type of computer, okay, that's have the microprocessor, and that microprocessor made of thousands of IC. Okay, and thousands of IC were made a microprocessor. Okay, then this fourth generation of computer very small in size and also it is very portable. ठीक है, and the answer, the result will given by the computer are very accuracy and it is very reliable to use the computer. Okay students, then it's have the large memory. The capacity of the storage capacity of the computer are very large. Okay, so all the computer around us are known as the fourth generation of computer. Okay students, then go for the fifth generation of computer. This computer right now are very much used also. Okay, just like your robot, you just take the example of robot which are also used in many places. Okay, so in this type of computer, ultra large scale integration which are used in this type of computer. Okay students, then this type of computer is very faster and very much cheaper than the other computer. Okay students, and it's have the software which is known as the artificial intelligence software. Okay students, we knew about the generation of computer. These are the generation of computer. You should have to mention all those things, all those notes in, you just note it in your fair copy also. Okay students, these are very important points. Okay students, thank you students.